Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the new Gingerbread Spice palette from Too Faced. And I also picked up this really cute mini liquid lipstick set. And this is called the Sweet Smell of Christmas Liquefied Liquid Lipstick Set. This one retailed for $25 and the eyeshadow palette retails for $49. So I'm going to start off doing the Gingerbread Spice palette. And I did swatch these on my hands before. I have not applied them onto my lids. And this is how the palette looks inside. So I will be doing swatches and I'm gonna go by rows. So I'll be going by first row, second row, and third row. So this is the first row of the swatches. And we have the shade Powdered Sugar, Spiked Eggnog, Gumdrop, Gingerbread, Warm and Toasty, and Ooh Burn. Now I'll be doing the second row. Frostbite Me, Looking at My Cookie, Spice is Nice, Oh Snap, Bake It Till You Make It, and Spice of Life. For the last row, Sugar Daddy, Figgy Pudding, Hot Toddy, Reindeer Paws, Gingerbread Latte, and Spiced Rum. So the first thing that I noticed for the shimmers, they go on really creamy and they're super pigmented. All those swatches were just with I just swatched them with my finger once, so they picked up the color really well. The mattes feel creamy. Some of them are, there's about like 2 shades that aren't as pigmented as the others, but we'll see how usually they swatch better on the lid. Usually when it's like mattes. So I'm going to start off doing the eyeshadow look. So for my transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right here. Next, I'm going to go in with Spice is Nice. I'm just going to also apply this all over my lid. The shade Gumdrop, and I'm just going to apply this on the outer corner of the lid. I'm going to put a little bit more on this blending brush and just blend this out. I'm going to go back in with the shade Spice is Nice and deepen up that color a bit more. I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is the shade Light Sand. And I'm just going to cut my crease with this. And I'm gonna do more kind of like a half cut crease. I'm gonna take this really pretty shade Fig Pudding. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M507 and put this on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna take Hot Teddy and I'm going to put this where the purple meets. I'm just gonna put this in the middle. And blend it in with the purple that I just added on. Then with my concealer brush, I'm going to apply the shade Frostbite. And I'm applying this on the outer corner of the lid and blending it in with that really nice shade that we just applied. And then going back in with Figgy Pudding, I'm going to just blend out the purple. Go in with the shade Reindeer Paws. And also take the same brush and put this on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna do my other eye. I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup on, and I will leave the details in the description box, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back and applied the rest of my makeup on. I did do the lower lash line, and I basically applied all the mattes that I applied to the top lid to the lower lash line. And I also took Spiked Eggnog, which is like a really nice like highlight shade, and I put some in the inner corner and also on the top of my brow bone. And I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see the finished look. So that is it with the Gingerbread Spice palette for now. Now I'm gonna do swatches of this really cute liquid lipstick set. And these are all minis. This was only $25, and that's like a really, I feel like that's a really good price since it does come with 4 liquid lipsticks. And they aren't really that small for it being like a mini liquid set. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all the shades for you. We're gonna start off with Pumpkin Spice, and there is the color for you guys. And this is a really nice, like a burnt orange color. And then we have Sugar Cookie, and this one's like a really nice pink nude. And we have Cinnamon Bear, and this is a really nice, like a red orangey tone red. Hot Buttered Rum, and this one's like a really nice brown orangey tone nude. For this look, I think I'm going to take Hot Buttered Rum. So this is the finished look. I really enjoyed the Gingerbread Spice palette. The mattes performed really well. The shimmers performed really well. Out of all the shimmers, I did notice that this one right here, which is the Frostbite one, it's a little bit like chalky, but it was still like I was still able to work with the shade. With the liquid lipstick set, which comes with these 4, I really feel like this one, it's like a really great price. It's $25. You're getting 4, and they're not too small. This is like one of their lip glosses. I believe they're the same size as the matte ones. Here's like the minis, which isn't really that small. So yeah, definitely I recommend the liquid lipstick sets. The eyeshadow palette, I do also want to mention that it smells like gingerbread cookies, and it's just really, it was really easy to work with the mattes. I really did enjoy the palette. The palette does retail for $49. I did purchase it off Ulta's website. And also for the liquid lipsticks, like the cookie one smells like cookies, so they all have whatever like they're named, they smell like that. So I really do enjoy the liquid lipstick set. I am gonna zoom you guys in a bit more to the eye look. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.